What's up everybody, my name is Ibra and welcome to my channel. I'm going to start with a question. If BMW owners had money, what would they buy? And the answer is obviously Porsche. Since I didn't have enough money, I got the Dodge. This is Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack 392. That is with the famous 6.4 engine. And by just looking at this, you can assume that I bought the car in this condition, totaled from United States, from Copart. Since we all know that the cars from Coparts are not coming only with the mentioned issues, I was just lucky enough to sort it out quickly. Not only the front bumper was broken, but also something from the suspension was bent. I'm just gonna show you. There's the problem with the front suspension. The steering wheel is not straight. That's why it's going to be very risky to drive it up on its own. That's why we are going to tow it. Like owning an Audi. It's just a plastic chip. Би трябва да остава сега.
Аз ги сложа. Да. Bra. Where did you buy it? From Barbie?
It's a Barbie car. It used to be. And this is the rod. This was actually in good condition. It could be reused, but since I'm replacing this one, it was a good idea to replace another one together. They are linked. So now the car started running on its power and with the straight steering wheel. And also one more thing, that while you are buying a car from United States, you should always have in mind that the car is shipped in a container, which is a chance to receive the car with some additional damage. I was lucky, the car has no other damage, but there are some situations that you might receive the car that with some additional hit or something that is stolen on the way. So I have heard some stories that wheel nuts are stolen, or like rear bumper is stolen, or like tail light is stolen, or some additional damages like on the door or on the panel and so on. I have inspected all the car, and overall what I just saw is, you know, here there is a little dent, and here is very fresh, so very high chance that is that this thing happened on the shipping damage. I think also this one happened with the while transporting it with the forklift or something like that. But I can say that overall the car is in good condition, like 9/10 I could say. And I will just end up replacing a couple of suspension parts, just changing all the fluids and one front bumper. Hopefully this is going to be the all of it. It's very interesting that actually the hood is very light.
Aluminium.
So the car is from 2019, original 81,000 miles. That is in acceptably good condition, without any damage. I have received the car in 3 months after I have paid everything, and this was a little bit stressful. The first day that I purchased, actually I couldn't really sleep. I was so excited. This is my dream car, and finally my dream come true. So the next step is going to be maintaining the car. Since the car is already started running on 4 wheels in you know, straight in good condition, all the fluids has to be changed, like the engine, like the coolant, with the differential, with the auto transmission, and so on. I have no idea, and it's not mentioned on the papers, on the Carfax papers, so I don't know if they maintain the transmission and the differential and so on. They don't cost really a lot of money. I'm hoping to do the biggest part of the maintenance by myself, so I can save up some money and eventually invest in some aftermarket upgrades. I've checked from Google, I checked a couple of Facebook groups. There are really some cool stuff to upgrade on this car and to, you know, have some effect. Hopefully it's gonna come out much more reliable and to be able to drive it. Thank you for watching the video, and please hit the button subscribe and like to support me, and there will be much more updates from this car.